Postgraduate Diploma in Management. The Postgraduate Diploma in Management program is designed to equip aspiring managers with the essential knowledge and skills needed to excel in the dynamic and competitive business environment. Through a comprehensive curriculum, participants will gain insights into various facets of management, including leadership, strategic planning, communication, finance, and operations management. The program also emphasizes practical application through industrial attachments, enabling learners to integrate theory with real-world challenges and opportunities. Course components: full-time, institutional studies, 6 months, industrial attachment, 6 months. The industrial attachment is subject to the approval and issuance of a training work permit by the Ministry of Manpower, Singapore. Course modules include 1. Leadership and Team Building. This module introduces participants to technology-driven leadership theories and practices essential for navigating today's digital landscape. Learners will explore various leadership styles and their applications in the context of technology-enabled teams. 2. Strategic Planning. This module focuses on integrating technology into strategic planning processes to capitalize on digital opportunities and address emerging challenges. Participants will examine frameworks for digital strategy development, including data-driven decision-making, digital disruption analysis, and scenario planning. 3. Facilities Management. This module explores innovative technologies and digital solutions for optimizing facilities management practices. Participants will learn about smart building systems, IoT sensors, and predictive maintenance software to improve energy efficiency, space utilization, and workplace safety. 4. Corporate Communication. This module examines the role of technology in corporate communication and reputation management. Participants will explore digital communication channels, social media platforms, and crisis communication tools for engaging stakeholders and managing organizational image in the digital era. 5. Retail Management. This module provides insights into leveraging technology for retail management in omnichannel environments. Participants will study e-commerce platforms, mobile payment systems, and personalized marketing tools to enhance customer experience and drive sales. 6. E-commerce and online business. This module explores the dynamics of e-commerce and online business models, with an emphasis on leveraging technology for competitive advantage. Participants will analyze market trends, digital marketing techniques, and e-commerce platforms to develop comprehensive online business strategies. 7. Supply Chain Management. This module examines the application of technology in optimizing supply chain management processes. Participants will explore inventory management systems, demand forecasting algorithms, and blockchain-enabled traceability solutions. 8. Finance for Managers. Participants will explore digital banking, online payment systems, and AI-driven investment platforms for financial analysis and decision-making. 9. Project Work. Project Work. Students' participation of industrial attachment is mandatory and forms an essential component of the course. In the event that a student is unable to secure an internship due to circumstances beyond the college's control, the alternative requirement for these exceptional cases would be to undertake project work. Course structure. Mode of delivery: face-to-face. Teacher-to-student ratio: 1:45. Assessment method: students will be assessed by project and assignments. Graduation criteria: students who have successfully completed the course by passing every module will be awarded the Postgraduate Diploma in Management by ASTEC College. Entry requirements: international. Minimum age: at least 21 years of age. Academic qualification: recognized bachelor's degree or equivalent. All mature candidates aged 30 years old and above with minimum 8 years working experience. English proficiency: pass in English language in Year 10 or pass ASTEC English placement test. Entry requirements: local. Minimum age: at least 21 years of age. Academic qualification: recognized bachelor's degree or equivalent, or mature candidates aged 30 years old and above, with minimum 8 years working experience. English proficiency: C6 grade in GCE level or pass ASATEC English test. Attendance requirement: students must attend at least 75% of the scheduled classes to be eligible for assessment. International students with a valid student's pass must maintain a 90% monthly class attendance. Continuous absence for 7 days or falling below the 90% threshold without valid reason will lead to student's pass cancellation. Course fees: 6,540 Singapore dollars. Application fee of 109 Singapore dollars is payable to ASATEC College PT, Ltd, which is non-refundable under all circumstances. All fees stated are inclusive of 9% GST. Join us at ASTEC, where we are dedicated to equipping you with the skills and knowledge necessary to thrive in the comm landscape of today's industries. Welcome you to seek whatever information and clarifications you need for your review to register with us. Thank you.